Alright, so let's open variation 2.
Did you already start it?
Oh yeah, oh yeah, that's nice. It's a raindrop unidirectional carbon fiber. I don't know if the camera's even picking it up.
Yeah, it is.
But that looks pretty sweet. I'm gonna figure out the reverse flick on this thing. I can do the index finger flick. Just as, not quite as droppy as the other one, and I have a bad problem with liner locks for putting my finger in the wrong place. That's also why I moved the clip out further toward the leading edge of the handle so that it covers part of the clip so you have somewhere to get purchase on it. That is really smooth. Brand new, been opened twice and it already nearly dropped shreds.
I'm gonna do a close up real quick where you can see the try to show where you can see his name. There we go.
The finish on these is beautiful. That release is real easy. That's fidgety as fuck. Like that. For variation 3. Very exciting stuff, guys. Oh yeah, the blue and white carbon fiber looks really nice. Like that. I wish we had more daylight. We could see how the catoyance on it is. There will be more videos because I will be spamming y'all with videos about my new babies here. The blue and white looks gorgeous on the black. That is nice. Also in the raindrop pattern blade. Like I said, the handles are 6L 4V titanium. There's significant milling on the inside of to reduce weight. I don't have a postal scale right now to put it on the scale to show you how much it weighs.
I do. It's in my purse.
But deployment on them is great. And I've never actually manipulated a front flip or not, and it works pretty good for me. So, well, I say that and they can't do it. Can even pinch deploy it. But I was all about wanting to make sure that they were multiple deployment because it can't hurt, right? There's number 3. Let's get a good close in on these guys.